Have you ever tried to manifest something you really wanted, but no matter how much you visualized, affirmed, or scripted, it just didn't happen? It's not because you're broken or you can't do it. It's because your nervous system was not ready, and today I'm gonna show you why. So stick with me through this video because once you understand this, your whole approach to manifesting will change for the better. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest what your body, your nervous system feels safe and comfortable receiving. In other words, you manifest what you are, not what you want. If your system feels threatened by your desire, even if a little bit, it'll slam the brakes quietly without you even realizing it. And so this has everything to do with the mirror principle. As within, so without. In metaphysical terms, your outer world is always mirroring your inner feeling of safety. Your outer world is always mirroring whatever is going on inside of yourself. There's no out there. Everything and everyone is you pushed out. The universe responds not to your wishes, but to your being. When your inner world says, this is safe for me, this is normal for me, that's when the outer world reflects that back to you. And so if your desire does not feel safe, if it does not feel normal, then your nervous system is not on board with that. The inner world is the world of cause, the outer world is the world of effect. So what you see in the out there is the effect, is the projection of whatever is going on inside. You are the universe is inside of you. And the outer world is always reflecting, like a mirror, whatever is inside of you. So think of your nervous system as like the thermostat in your house, okay? So imagine your thermostat is set to 70 degrees. Imagine now that your house is getting super hot or super cold. The system will automatically kick in to bring the temperature back to 70. It's automatic and it's trying to keep you safe. Your nervous system is doing the exact same thing. It has a set point for how much love, health, wealth, abundance it feels safe holding. If you try to jump too far beyond that set point without addressing your inner safety, the system will quietly pull you back. Now, just like you wouldn't be able to walk into a freezing house and crank up the temperature by 40 degrees instantly, your nervous system needs gradual shifts too, for the most part. Small, gentle adjustments are key. Tiny expansions, baby steps. That's what creates real lasting change. And that's how you actually raise your set point without overwhelming your system. Now, of course, you're the infinite being, my friend. You are so powerful. You're the ultimate creator. And quantum leaps are totally possible. You can shift realities instantly if your nervous system feels ready and safe to receive that. So anything is possible. But for most of us, gradual expansion feels more natural and sustainable. And so you train your body to feel safe with bigger and bigger dreams. One step, 1 degree at a time. Now the thing is, your nervous system is not trying to sabotage you, it's trying to protect you. Think about it, you know that feeling when you're nervous? Your heart's racing, you have a knot in your stomach, a lump in your throat. That's your nervous system talking. It's not logical, it's physical. And when you're trying to manifest something that feels scary or unfamiliar, the nervous system can react the same way. Even if our mind is saying, I want this. And so this is why you might feel stuck, frustrated, or even self-sabotage without knowing why. It's not your fault, it's biology. But here's the exciting part. You can rewire it. You can literally teach it that bigger dreams are safe. And so I remember early on in my journey when I was reading a lot of Neville Goddard's books and how he would say to live in the end and dwell on the feelings of the wish fulfilled, right? And so I was doing that, I was affirming, but it got to a point where it was like, I get what you're saying here, but now in hindsight, it's like, I'm not fully ready here. Like my nervous system was somewhere else. And so no matter how much I affirmed I'm a millionaire, I have all the money in the world, like my nervous system was like, no girl, that's not what it says here in the book, okay? And so there was this disconnect. And so It got to a point where I stopped affirming all those things at that time. Intuitively, I knew that that was a bit of a dead-end street at that time. And so I began focusing on other things and affirming things that felt more comfortable for me. And so my body had the chance to feel safer in this new environment where I was expanding my consciousness and taking baby steps throughout my journey. And so when I started gently expanding my nervous system's capacity, everything started flowing. And it wasn't about forcing it or pushing it anymore. It was about inner permission. And so how do you start aligning your nervous system with your desires? Here's a simple roadmap. Step 1, get clear. What is it that you really want? I have been kind of guilty of this one. For a long time, I was like, oh, I just want a lot of money. I just want, I don't know, like not live in lack, basically, right? And so we really get to take the time to see what it is that we really want, right? So do you want more money? How much more money do you want right now? Step 2, ask yourself honestly, does this feel believable and safe to me right now? If not, that's totally fine, just notice it. Step 3, find the next believable step. What's one version of this that feels safe now? So instead of saying, I have $1 million, you could say, I am receiving new opportunities easily. Step 4, embody and celebrate that step. Live it, feel, stabilize it. Because you know what? The real magic happens when the next step feels boring, ordinary, mundane. Because when it's not a big deal to you anymore, when it's totally ordinary, that's when outer reality can shift effortlessly without resistance. Because your nervous system is not trying to protect you anymore. It's totally on board. And step 5, keep climbing. One step at a time. Gently nudge your set point higher over time, because the small wins build new bridges of safety. And that's how you progress and you keep going and you keep expanding and you keep manifesting bigger and bigger dreams. So let's say you want to manifest making $100,000 per year. But right now you're only making $30,000 a year. And deep down, that big jump feels scary, overwhelming, or just unbelievable to your body. So you don't ignore that feeling, you honor it. So for example, step 1, get clear. I want to make $100,000 a year. Step 2, ask yourself honestly, does this feel believable and safe to my body right now? If the answer is no, that's okay. Step 3, find the next believable step. So instead of jumping straight to 100K, maybe your next step feels like earning 40K a year, or maybe receiving a small promotion, or finding one new client, something that feels stretching but possible. Step 4, you start feeling and celebrating the 40K version of you. You normalize it, you stabilize it, it becomes your new thermostat setting. It feels safe, boring even. And step 5, keep climbing. Once that feels normal and ordinary, you keep stretching. And over time, without forcing, without burnout, your external world mirrors your new internal set point. And so my friend, you don't have to force your dreams into being. You just have to teach your body that it's safe to receive them. You are so not broken. You are so much more powerful than you've been taught to believe. You're so powerful, you literally can create an experience of powerlessness, of lack. We are creating it all. So our job here is to teach our body, our nervous system. It's like you're talking to your inner child, right? You can talk to your body and be like, hey, I know I told you early on that maybe we were not enough, that maybe we were not deserving of wealth, health, love, abundance. We so are, and it's so safe for us. Your nervous system is your ally, it's not your enemy, okay? It's just waiting for you to gently lead it into the life you really deserve. And so if you want to go even deeper into how your outer world reflects your inner world, I'm linking a very powerful video right here. It's all about the mirror principle, and I think you're gonna love it. I'll see you there.